Today we will discuss some more examples on Cauchy integral formula, and this is the last class of your second modulo. Example: evaluate integration over c e raised to 2z divided by z plus 1 into z minus 2 into dz, where c is the circle, mod z is equal to 3. Solution: we know that what is the procedure. And first procedure is check whether the given points, means a values are lies inside the given condition, that is mod z is equal to 3 or not. If it is inside, what we have to do is we have to solve the integral term and using Cauchy integral formula we have to evaluate this integral. And if it is outside, the given points are lies outside, directly we take from Cauchy theorem the integration over c f of z divided by z minus a into dz is equal to 0. Now let us see, for this example, points are lies inside or outside. The point z is equal to a, which is equal to minus 1. Find z is equal to a, which is equal to 2, being the order pair minus 1, 0, 2, 0, which are lies inside the mod z is equal to 3. Now we shall resolve this term into partial fraction, and you know that what is the partial fraction procedure. 1 divided by z plus 1 into z minus 2, a divided by z plus 1 plus b divided by z minus 2, or 1 is equal to a of z minus 2 plus b into z plus 1. To find the value of a and b, just putting z is equal to 2, we will get value of b is 1 by 3, and when we put z is equal to minus 1, we get a is equal to minus 1 by 3. Substitute the value of a and b in this equation, we get 1 divided by z plus 1 into z minus 2 is equal to minus 1 by 3 plus into 1 divided by z plus 1 plus 1 by 3 into 1 divided by z minus 2. Here 1 by 3 is common, take outside, and here given term is e raised to 2z divided by z plus 1 into z minus 2. So multiply both the sides, we get 1 by 3 into e raised to 2z divided by z minus 2 minus e raised to 2z divided by z plus 1. Here first term is negative and second term is positive. Just rearrange this one. Take for positive term first and negative term on next. We get this expression. After that, integration over c e raised to 2z divided by z plus 1 into z minus 2 dz is equal to 1 by 3 integration over c e raised to 2z divided by z minus 2 into dz minus integration over c e raised to 2z divided by z plus 1 into dz. Take this is equation 1. We have Cauchy integral formula, that is integration over c f of z divided by z minus a dz is equal to 2 pi I into f of a. Here a values are 2, minus 1. Taking f of z is equal to e raised to 2z and a is equal to 2, minus 1. Respectively, we obtain integration over c e raised to 2z divided by a z minus 2 into dz is equal to 2 pi I f of 2, which is equal to 2 pi I e raised to 4, and integration over c e raised to 2z divided by z plus 1 dz is equal to 2 pi I f of minus 1, which is equal to 2 pi I e raised to minus 2, which is equal to, this can be written as 2 pi I divided by e square. Substituting these values in RHS of 1, we get, substitute these values in this equation 1, we get 1 by 3 into 2 pi I e raised to 4 minus 2 pi I divided by e square. Thus, integration over c e raised to 2z divided by z plus 1 into z minus 2 to dz is equal to 2 pi I divided by 3 into e raised to 4 minus 1 divided by e square. Next example, evaluate integration over c z square plus z plus 1 divided by z minus 2 whole cube dz over c, where mod z is equal to 3. the point z is equal to 2 lies inside the circle mod z is equal to 3. We have generalized Cauchy integral formula, that is this formula, Cauchy's generalized integral formula. Taking f of z is equal to z square plus z plus 1, we obtain f double dash of z is equal to 2. Therefore f double dash of 2 is equal to 2. Also by taking a is equal to 2, n is equal to z, we have this one 2 pi I divided by 2 factorial f double dash of 2, where f double dash of 2 value is 2. 2 pi I divided by 2 into 2, 2 to get cancelled. Answer is this one 2 pi I. Given integral value is 2 pi